Hey everybody, how we doing today? My name is Michael and welcome to MS FITZ'S Adventures. Hey, before we get started, you know what to do first, right? Go ahead and go down below. Go ahead and give us that big like. After that, go ahead and subscribe to our channel by clicking that. And then go over to the bell and ring it, and you'll get notifications each week that we have a video out, okay? And I'll be right back in just a second. Hey guys, welcome back, and hey, thanks for coming and joining us this week for our video. I got an open box to do. Last week sometime, the computer audio kind of went out. It would crackle and pop, and it was just getting every other word, and it just didn't sound good. So I went ahead and I went online. My computer, the sound card that I have in it, was a Sound Blaster, and it was the ZX, and I think they made those back in 2005, 6, or 7. So I've had it for a really long time. So I went ahead and I got the AE, Sound Blaster AE, which is the updated version pretty much. And it's more digital, and it's a lot better sounding, but it wasn't the sound card. Even though the sound card was out of date and I couldn't ever give it any updates, it was a speaker system. So the speakers that I had were these. It was the Logitech brand, but they were the smaller version. This is 2 sizes up. The speakers that I have now are hanging up here like that. You can see they're Logitech also. It's a 5.1 system. And yeah, we got them over here too. Now I stuck these up with that foam stuff, like when we got the camper, and they're having to come down now. So hey, look, they actually came down. Look at all the dust behind here. Oh my goodness gracious. Here, my gosh. Yeah, so I put them up with this sticky stuff and lots of dust up here. They've been up here now for 7 years and they have not moved. So 3M, shout out to you guys for this stuff. But maybe a pound. I would even say they weigh a pound. So I don't know how much the new ones do, but we're gonna have to get all these off. Clean all this up. I'm gonna mount the new ones up here someplace when we get done. And I'm gonna mount the other ones. I'm gonna take this one off right here, like that. And I'm gonna mount it probably someplace up in here. So we'll have them in the same spot. Oh, a package of mounting brackets coming, and they're for the 5.1 speakers. So I'm going to put one here and put the new speaker there. And then I'm going to do the same thing over here and put the new speaker over there. I just have them laying over in back of the monitor there on the other side of the monitor is a little shelf, and that is for the dinette, for the little seat. But I'm using that shelf there for the 2 front speakers and the surround sound speaker. So, and then up on top I have the subwoofer. I guess what I'm trying to say is that I'm going to have to figure out a place for all these because I believe these are bigger. So what we're going to do is we're going to unbox this new one. It's the Z906. It's by Logitech. It's a THX 1000 watt. I don't think it's 1000 watts. I think maybe a total of it's probably about 800 watts. But I think each side and each channel is like 150, they said, something like that. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this and show you. I wanted to show you the specs here. They have them in all different languages, obviously. Powerful surround sound, it says 500 watts RMS, which is per channel. And then, let's see, doesn't really tell you about anything else. Versatile setup, you can set it up anywhere you wanna set it up, and it's integrated controls on it. It's going to be a better one than we have now. All right, guys, we're going to go ahead and open up this new speaker system we have. It's a Z906, and I'm going to go ahead and unbox it as we speak. Okay, I already got it cut open. Just to let you know, this one was a refurbished one, so I don't know what I'm getting into. I don't know if it's still good, not good. It looks like they've bubble wrapped it differently than it should come. We'll see. It's got a warranty on it. This one only cost me, yeah, it's not right, but this one only cost me actually $229. And then for $25, I got a 2-year warranty, and it actually has an extended warranty already because it has been refurbished. These right here, I believe, are the speakers. Yes, they are. They look like they have been sealed, maybe twice, I don't know. Here's a cushion in here for the subwoofer, and that is the subwoofer, and everything will attach into it. Definitely not the way it's supposed to come, so yes, it has been refurbished, I would imagine. They just had it in the same box. It said it might, they said it might come in the same box, or it might not. So what I'm going to do is open this up. All right. So here are all the speakers. Here's the manual. Here is the controller. I'll take everything out of the package to show you. Here's some of the wires for it, speaker wires. I don't know if all of them in here. I see 1, 2, and I see a remote control here. Yeah, see the remote control, 2 things of speaker wires. The front speaker wires here should be 3 of those. And let's see. I don't know if it, wow, these are about 1.5 pounds, maybe 2 pounds. I would say these are almost 2 pound speakers. Instead of having the RCA plugs in the back of them, they do have regular wires, so you can go out and buy speaker wire without it having to be, without it having to have a RCA connection on it, which makes it better. This way I could put it at any length and put it anywhere I want into the house itself. Here's a little box. It also has some more wire in it. So I got lots of wire. So that is the subwoofer. Here are all the satellite speakers for them. 2, 3, 4, and I'm not sure which one is the subwoofer, but there's a subwoofer in here someplace. I'm wondering if it's this one because it's sideways. Yeah, here's the subwoofer here. All the rest of these are the fronts, the backs. So yeah, guys, got this. I think these came out, oh, I don't know, probably about 5 or 6 years ago, if not before. We're going to go ahead and set this all up today, and I'm going to put it up permanently. I'll show you what I'm going to do. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and start taking the other one down. I've got to drill some holes because I want to actually, instead of having the wires go around everything and come out and do all this stuff, I'm thinking of maybe just going through the cabinet all the way. There's 2 sections to the cabinet, and just bring it out over here. And then over here, we'll plug it in there. And then I will I'll go ahead and run a wire across here. Yeah, right across here, and then I'll put it over here. So Dione is dying to clean that all up. She saw the mess and started to want to spray. So I'm going to go ahead and let her clean this all up. I'm going to start tearing it all down with her help. And yeah, we'll get going on this. And by the end of this video, we'll have stereo in here, hopefully. So I'm not going to mount any of these right now. I'll mount them later. But I do want to clean up all the mounting and take all this stuff out. I'm going to try to use it tonight because we really want to see a couple movies. We want to definitely see Dunes 2, and there's another one that we want to see. And then, hey, Game of Thrones is coming on, and we want to be able to hear it and surround the sound. So, yeah, that's why we got this. All right. We'll be back in just a second to show you some more. Hey, everybody. I'm back. It's been about a week. I had to wait for some things to finish off the project. I did get them up. I want to show you what I did. So I mounted these. They are actually mounted to the wall here. And they don't look too bad, huh? I don't think they do. They look pretty good. The other one over here. Okay, mounted that one up there. Now where's the wire? What I did was I put it in some conduit that's right here. Self-stick them up on top so it sticks. This piece was the longest piece I could buy. That was very expensive. It can hold, I think, up to like 6 wires like that. So that's pretty good. This is 16 gauge speaker wire is what it is. So I've got another piece that I'm going to put on here, right? And then I'm going to stick another one across just to the corner. I mean, it's in back here. I don't need to do any more than that. So, I mean, it'll cover it up to about here. So if it covers it to there, that'd be fine, right? Yeah. Then it went all the way across, right? And I went down to here. And then instead of going into here, I just went ahead and stuck it underneath the cabinet with another piece of conduit. And then it comes out over here. There. And I said I was going to drill some holes. I drilled one hole, and the one hole I drilled was right here. I have the speaker wires coming through here now, and I also have the speaker wires for the front 3 speakers. And then I also have going down a USB extension, so I can actually plug in some things and charge some things at the desk here. That's how it looks. What do you think? Speakers. This one was up here, and I'll show you the mounting. Let me show you the mountings that I bought. These were $35 for 5 of them, obviously made in China. What they do is they screw in the back here. So this mounts onto the wall with these screws like that, okay? And then this mounts onto this, it just screws in. Look at that, see how it screws in? Okay. And then the wing nut tightens up so you can't move it. What happened is, I don't have any studs behind this Luan or whatever they call this stuff. It's pretty cheap. Now there might be something there, but there wasn't anything up here. So the screw didn't go in all the way, and it kind of fell out, and that's okay. Hey guys, I want to hurry up and get done. That just took me about 20 minutes, and that's not very long at all. I went ahead and I put the one up in this corner. I don't know, you can see that. This is the piece I put up, so it looks better. Goes all the way, runs now, huh? And then check it out under there. It's pretty good. And then I got this piece here. I got to figure out what I'm going to do because it's not really long enough. Yeah, but I'll figure that out. I haven't tacked it down yet, and I'm probably going to put it on the opposite direction. So we'll figure that out later. But for the most part, it's done. I still have to figure out what I'm going to do here. Or do I want to keep it here? I was thinking, do I want to just take and put one of the speakers up here and another one up there and have that one down below the TV? I'm not sure. Decisions. Another thing, like I was saying, we got some big plans for the camper in the next probably couple videos anyways. That's one of them. We bought that so I can record and you guys can see that instead of the bed. We did get a new bedspread, some sheets, and I got some pillows today, but that was really nice. Yeah, I think this thing right here, this jackknife couch that doesn't really work real well because there's holes in it and it's very uncomfortable for her to sit. I think we're going to try to rearrange everything here. And yeah, I got some plans. This air conditioner is the one that ports out the window over here, you know, for the heat it takes out. I got it turned off now because guess what? It's very noisy, but it's not as noisy as the one up there. That one right here is like really super noisy. And it works really well still, so that's good. We want it to continue working. We had to replace the upper air conditioner. It would cost us a fortune. This one has saved us. It was like $319 when we bought it. It's got a remote control and everything. But anyways, guys, hey, you can see those stickers on there. They're growing. I've got a bunch more. We got some from Joshua Tree when I was down there. We got some over here from Dinosaur Land, which we went to and didn't kind of show you guys because it really was a touristy trap and we didn't pay any money. We just went in and bought stickers. So we kind of cheated. But there's Silverton down there and all the rest of them. We'll go to some copywritten music. Let's see. Here's my setup right now. It's going to change, by the way. Let's do that. Misfits Adventures. Here's some music. How about a copy-free music? Copy-free music. Here's Sunny. This is an opening, and we get copywritten for it every time. But guess what? It's ours, and we pay for it. And they said we can use it. Oh, that's not it. Hey guys. All right, let's go back to Sunny. Listen. There you go. Here it is. Here's a remote for it. See that? Yeah, this is just some music in it. Look, I can pause it or mute it. That's pretty cool. I can change the bass. I can change the front and the back speakers. I can change all that. Or the inputs, like I was saying. So that's pretty cool. And take a listen for a second. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, plus 1 is the bass. All right, guys, we'll turn off our music here. All right, guys, I finished this project up. I know it's a short little video. Hey, next week is going to be a little bit longer, but we're not going anywhere. I don't think. We might. I'm not sure. But our plan is to start construction on some stuff on the inside here. We're going to gut out some things because it's just not right. So we'll start that next week, hopefully. If not, you'll be seeing something else. You'll be seeing us going someplace. It depends on when some stuff is coming, where I'm still waiting for some packages to come, and once they all come, then we can figure it all out. And I got a lot of building to do and a lot of tearing out to do in the camper here. So just to make things more comfortable for Dione and I. So that's what's going to happen in the next couple weeks. So come on back and check us out next week. We really appreciate you guys. Hey, all you new subscribers, thank you so much for subscribing. I hope you come back and check us out every week. Every Sunday I have a video, and every day I put a video, a little short out for you guys. So check that out. But yeah, we got stereo now, man. I got a nice mural of something. And yeah, more to come. All right, guys, I think what we're going to do is, it's hot in here. It's about 98 degrees here in Durango. I got the air conditioner off. I'm going to turn that on in just a couple seconds. I do want to say goodbye to you guys, but you guys know what to do first, right? Go ahead and go down below. Go ahead and give us that big like by pushing that. After that, go ahead and push the subscribe button. And then if you ring the bell, you get notifications each week that we have a video, guys. Hey, and don't forget to get on our website, Misfits Adventures. Misfits Adventures, there's all sorts of things to do on there. All our pictures, all of our blogs are on there. You can check back and check out all of those. And all the links to YouTube. So you can see all of our videos, all of our shorts, everything on YouTube from our Misfits Adventures, okay? Also, we have Patreon on there. Patreon, go check that out. This is what it does. And we got 3 tiers to choose from, guys. So choose a tier. It helps us out immensely. It gives us money to get our music. It gives our editing software and everything else that we need. We're not monetized yet, but we are climbing up there. Last count, we had 810 people subscribing to our channel. So we are growing after 7 years. So, hey. Come back and see us next week, guys. Appreciate you. Love you all. Be good. Be kind to each other. Dion's at work already. I got like 45 minutes to get my butt to work. I got to still eat and take a shower and everything. So, hey, we'll see you next week. Love you all. Bye.